Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from scratch, full guide. Begin by defining your goals and installing Python and a friendly editor. Focus first on syntax, variables, and writing tiny programs to build confidence. Practice regularly with short exercises and track progress. Use interactive shells to test ideas quickly and avoid overwhelm by learning one concept at a time. Build a solid foundation by mastering core Python concepts early on. Spend focused time on data types, lists, dictionaries, and tuples, and practice control flow using if statements, loops, and comprehensions. Learn how to create reusable functions, understand scope, and handle errors gracefully with try and accept. Reinforce each topic with small projects that combine several concepts so you see how pieces work together in real code. Apply your skills with practical projects that solve real problems and keep learning fun. Start with small apps like a calculator, a web scraper, or a to-do tracker, then gradually add features. Explore popular libraries like Requests, Beautiful Soup, and Pandas to speed development. Publish your work to GitHub so others can review it, and iterate based on feedback to grow your confidence and abilities steadily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.